I wanted a light and feathery style like this, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You start off on dry hair. I wet it a little bit just to make sure I can part it correctly, and then I went ahead and put it into chunky-ish parts. I took my brush and made sure to detangle it very well because you do not want any tangles when you're doing this style. You have to use a lightweight leave-in, moisturizer, or even a foaming mousse. And then you take your hair, you split it into two, and you start to twist the roots. This helps your roots lay down a little bit better than just putting on the Flexi rod. I twisted it only this much. That's all you need. You can do more if you want to. Add more water. And then I made this part, I didn't speed it up because I want you to see the wrist motion. I'm putting it around the Flexi rod, and then I'm twisting my wrist kind of like a Bantu knot type of thing, but on the Flexi rod. I want to make sure that my ends are very, very flat, and I want to make sure that they're secure, so add more product at the end just to be sure that the ends are laying down, because if the ends ain't right, mess up the whole style. After that long debacle, you fold up the Flexi rod and move on to the next section. I don't remember how many I did, but I want it to be pretty chunky so I can be light and feathery. When you're taking it down, I didn't put any oil on my hands. You can do that if you want to, but this is the result, y'all. I'm so obsessed with this style. I'm gonna do it smaller next time to see if it'll last longer.